Autosync handles changes as they happen, and our label exclusions keep the drafts out. But what if autosync misses something? A plugin hiccup, a page that got created outside the usual flow. A scheduled recurring sync is your safety net. Scheduled sync starts from the bulk sync screen, the manual sync tab. To go here, click bulk sync, wait for it to display, and it leads you directly to the manual sync tab. In this sync tab, click sync now, and in this modal, pick the pages you want on a recurring cadence. I'll leave it in everything, since our label exclusion already keeps the internal stuff earlier. Now, click scheduled sync, and it will show you exactly the modal where you can pick which date you want to start, what date or what time in your time zone do you want to start, and then how frequent do you want to do it. I'll set this probably weekly, every Monday morning at 11 a.m. starting August 31. So anything that gets sleep through caught before the week really gets going. And then click scheduled sync. And voila, there it is in the scheduled sync tab. Name, excluded labels, frequency, next run date, all visible at a glance. If priorities changes, you can always edit the date, the time, and the frequency anytime, or delete it just the next run without canceling the whole schedule. It can be found on this 3 button right here to edit and update the sync. Let's say make it monthly, let's say. Or can also check the error logs here if there's going to be some errors during the last sync. And I said delete it when you don't need it anymore. Can be the upcoming or all the scheduled sync. Let's try the all the scheduled sync. And that deletes the whole bulk sync or the scheduled bulk sync. Well, that covers everything within our organization. The last topic in this series, what happens when you're syncing your space to isn't yours at all? We'll discuss the external syncing next time. Thank you.